Welcome to CK Invests. We always work so hard to earn a living, but we can figure out the ways we can make money work for us while we sleep. Today, I break it down on how you can make money work for you. Press the subscribe button not to miss important video like this. Stop working for money. Make money work for you. You're sitting at work. It's a normal day. Same desk, same screen, same routine you've followed for years. You check the time, 10:47 a.m. And for a second, you do something most people never do. You calculate your life in hours. You make $25 an hour, 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week. That's your system. Then a thought hits you. If you stop working, the money stops too, immediately. No buffer, no backup, no momentum. Your income is directly tied to your time. And that's the part nobody really explains. Because on paper, you're doing everything right. You have a job, you get paid. Maybe you even got a raise recently. But somehow, it still feels like you're stuck in place. You work, you earn, you spend, and then you repeat. Let me show you two people. Same city, same salary, same starting point. The first person works for money. They wake up every morning, trade hours for income, pay their bills, and whatever is left gets spent or sits in their account. They feel productive, busy, responsible. But here's what's actually happening. Every dollar they earn requires effort. If they stop working, everything stops. No income, no growth, no progress. Now let's look at the second person. They also work a job, same hours, same paycheck, same life, on the surface. But something is different. Every time money comes in, a portion leaves immediately. Not for bills, not for spending, for assets, investments, systems, things that generate money without their time. At first, it's small, almost unnoticeable. But over time, something changes. They stop relying only on their job because their money starts working too. Same income, same effort, completely different outcome. This isn't a story about working harder. It's a story about understanding one simple shift that changes everything. You don't get rich by working for money. You get rich when money starts working for you. The first person isn't lazy. They're not bad with money. They're just following a system that was designed for survival. Work, earn, spend, repeat. The second person discovered something most people never do. There are two types of income: active income and leveraged income. Active income is what you already know. You work, you get paid. It stops when you stop. Simple. But leveraged income, that's different. It comes from assets. Things like investments, businesses, digital products, real estate. Things that continue generating money even when you're not actively working. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make that shift. Not complicated, not unrealistic. Just simple rules that quietly separate people who stay stuck from people who build freedom. Let me start with something that will completely change how you see money. Every dollar you earn has two possible jobs. The first job is consumption. You spend it, it's gone. The second job is production. It goes out and comes back with more money. Most people never make that distinction. They spend first and hope to save later. But the second person flips it. They assign money a job before they touch it. And that changes everything. Let's break this down. Rule 1. Stop thinking like an employee. Employees trade time for money. Investors buy time with money. That shift alone is everything. Because once you see it, you can't unsee it. Every purchase becomes a question. Will this make me money or cost me time? Most things cost time. Very few things buy it back. Rule 2. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before spending, before anything. A portion of your income moves automatically into investments. Not what's left, first. Because if you don't do it first, it won't happen, ever. Rule 3. Start small, but start now. This is where most people fail. They think, I need more money to invest. No, you need to start. Because the power isn't in the amount, it's in time. $100 invested consistently becomes more powerful than $1,000 delayed. Time does the heavy lifting, not you. Rule 4. Buy assets, not liabilities. Assets pay you. Liabilities cost you. Simple. But most people reverse it. They buy things that look like success, but quietly drain their future. New phone, expensive car, lifestyle upgrades. None of these produce income. They consume it. The second person, however, delays those upgrades, and instead, they buy things that pay them back over and over and over again. Rule 5. Automate everything. Because willpower fails, systems don't. Automatic transfers, automatic investments, automatic saving. Remove the decision, and you remove the resistance. That's how consistency is built. Here's the part nobody tells you. At the beginning, nothing feels different. You're still working, still earning, still living the same life. But underneath, something is building, quietly, month by month, year by year, until one day your money starts producing more than your job. And that's the moment everything changes. Because now, you're not working for money anymore. Money is working for you. And just like before, the difference doesn't show immediately. But over time, it becomes massive. One person keeps trading time forever. The other buys their freedom back, piece by piece. The difference isn't income, it's understanding. Because once you see how money actually works, you stop using it the old way. And that's the moment your life starts to change. Not because you worked harder, but because you finally stopped working for money.